In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card details from your DoorDash application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up our DoorDash app and then make sure to log in if you haven't logged in. Then once you've logged in, we want to navigate and click onto our profile. So that's on the bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then under your profile, we need to click onto settings. And then we'll be in our account section. From here, look for payment methods and click into it. And now this is where all your payment cards will be kept. So under save payment methods, it will say something like Google Pay, credit cards, etc., etc. So just go ahead and click onto the credit card you'd like to remove, click onto it, and then it'll have a remove button at the bottom or to the right. Just have a look for it. But take note, if you've only got one payment method and it's your credit card, you will not be able to remove it. You've got to have a second payment method. So yeah, you always at least got to have one payment method active on your DoorDash account. So what you can do, if you got your credit card information under a save payment method, just go ahead and add your PayPal account. And then from there, remove your credit card details because you've got your, say, your PayPal Afterpay account linked with your DoorDash account.